This book is called Narwhal Unicorn of the Sea, written by Ben Clanton. The contents of this book are on page 5, starts with Narwhal is really awesome. Page 21 has really fun facts. Page 23, Narwhal's Pod of Awesomeness. Page 41, The Narwhal Song. And page 43, Narwhal and the Best Book Ever. Narwhal is really awesome! One day, when Narwhal was out for a swim, he found himself in new waters. Whoa, what are you? Me? I'm a narwhal. The narwhal. A narwhal? Yep, unicorn of the sea. Are you real? Last time I checked, are you? Am I what? Real. Yeah, I'm a jellyfish. Jellyfish? Hee hee, that sounds funny. You never heard of a jellyfish? Nope, you don't look like any fish I've ever seen, but you do look kind of jellyish. I sure have an amazing imagination. I can't believe this. The thing I'm imagining is imagining that it is imagining me. Prove it. Prove what? Prove you're real. Can you prove that you are real? Sting! Hee, that tickles, but it still doesn't prove you're real. I could be imagining that tickles. You could imagine anything. Yep, pretty much. Look, things like you don't exist. I mean, what is up with that horn? It is actually more of a tusk tooth. Then why is it coming out of your forehead? Because I'm awesome like that. It is pretty awesome. Thanks. Hey, I know what you are. Jellyfish? An imaginary friend. We're friends? Sure thing. Cool. Well, you might not be real, but I think you'll be a real good friend. Want to go eat waffles? Sure. Num num num. Really fun facts. A narwhal's long horn-like tooth can reach up to 3 meters, which is 10 feet long. I brush every day. Wow, amazing. Narwhals can weigh 1,600 kilograms, which is 3,500 pounds, and hold their breath for 25 minutes. The record dive depth for a narwhal is 1,800 meters, which is 5,905 feet, which is over 1 mile. Recent research suggests narwhals can live up to 90 years. More really fun facts! There are nearly 4,000 types of jellyfish in the world. Whoa, I wonder what kind I am. The awesome kind! Not to be confused with a snack, because a group of jellyfish is called a smack. Jellyfish have been around for millions of years, well before dinosaurs. The sting from some jellyfish can be deadly for humans. The deadly ones are found mainly in Australia. Narwhal's Pod of Awesomeness. Hey Narwhal, why are you looking under that rock? Ahoy, Jelly! I'm looking for my pod. Your pod? Yep. I read on the net the other day that narwhals usually travel in groups called pods. I seem to be missing mine, so I'm looking for it. Narwhal? I'm not sure you'll find a narwhal pod around here. You're the only narwhal I've ever seen. In that case, I guess I'll make a pod. Make a pod? Sure, and I know just who will want to join. Shark! This is going to be podtastic! Ahoy, Shark! What's up, Narwhal? Making a pod. Want to join? For Shark! Just put this on. Gnarly! Ahoy, Turtle! Want to be in our pod? Turtley! Come be in our pod, Mr. Blowfish. Okay. Octopus, your garden is amazing. So is our pod. You should join it. Oh yeah, tentacular. Narwhal, aren't you going to ask me to join? Oh, I didn't ask? I guess I thought we were making the pod together. You do want to be part of our pod, right, Jelly? Well, what does a pod do exactly? I'm not really sure. But I imagine a pod plays ultimate cannonball, eats waffles, fights crime, and has super awesome parties! I do love parties. Podtastic! Page 41 is the Narwhal song. You get to choose the tune. Page 42. Narwhal! Narwhal and the best book ever. Ahoy, Narwhal! What are you reading? My favorite book in the whole wide water, and probably the rest of the universe too. Wow, can I see? Sure thing. Narwhal, this book is, blank. It's an imaginary book, Jelly. You've got to pretend. Okay. Yeah, not seeing anything. I've got an idea. First, close your eyes. Now what? Now think about one of your favoriteest things in the world. Make a picture of it in your head. Yum, waffle. Next, think about a robot. Picture a giant angry robot. I'm scared of giant angry robots. Good thing that Waffle is a kung fu master. Look at the book and see a picture of it battling the robot. You're toast, Robo-Foe. Grrr. I've got an idea. The Waffle should have a sidekick, a strawberry. Nice one, Jelly. I get it, Narwhal. This book is the best. It can be about anything you want it to be about. Turn the page. I want to see what happens next. Is that a sea monkey? He looks funny. Sea monkeys are funny. They tell really great jokes. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 ate 9. Hooray! The robot is happy now. Hard not to be when a sea monkey is around. Can I borrow this book? Sure thing. Just don't get the pages wet. The end.